Hi, welcome back. In the last tutorial, we worked on in-file styling, external file styling, and borders. But we did not. But I also mentioned that we're going to work on borders. Sorry, I also mentioned we're going to work on borders, but we didn't work on borders. So in this section, we'll be working with margins and borders. So how are borders represented? We'll keep our style sheet this way, and we're working on our border.html folder file. Everything is going to stay the same. So in our border.html, we want to write a div. Let's call this a div, and then we'll close our div. Our div, I want to have an h2 tag. Oh, I cannot type today. H2 tag that says hello. All right. So refresh this, save, refresh this, and it says hello. Now, I want to start by drawing a border around this div. So I'll say div, and I'll say what border. Okay, 1 pixel, solid. I'll give it white. I'll explain that later. Alright, so 1 pixel here is the thickness of the border, this. And then solid is how thick it should be. It can also be dashed. When I say dash, this is how it's going to be. Solid means it has to be all filled like this. And then the color of our border. So a border can also have what they call a border radius. I can give a border radius of 20 pixels. And let's see how it looks like. So that's a border radius of 20 pixels. I also give a border radius of 10 pixels, 20 pixels, 50 pixels, as long as I want. Now let's give a padding to this hello. So the padding is the distance between this text and the padding. So I want to give a padding left. So the padding left is going to be the distance between this text and this border right here, just around here, and that space. So I'll give a padding left of 30 pixels, and that's how it is. So let's give that's just a general padding, general padding, because we're in the div, and so we want a general padding everywhere, all round. So top, bottom, left, and right. We want a general padding everywhere. If I want to just be padding left, I could just say padding left, and it's going to give me padding just for that distance. The distance I mentioned. If I say padding right, it will go back to original status, which was like that. But you cannot see it here, but there's a padding here, right here, where my mouse is. So I'll go back to padding left. Or I can say I want just my text to have a padding. So I can say I want H2 to have a padding. So I want H2 to have a padding left of 20 pixels. Save, refresh, and here we go. Alright. So the next thing we want to do is have two separate borders, two separate divs. Then I want to have another paragraph that says P tag that says I'm good. Save, refresh, and says I'm good. But guess what? The padding is not applied yet too. So we need to come now and create another padding again, making our work to look a little bit dirty. And then we refresh, save and refresh, and then use it. That's not really, it really doesn't look attractive. So let's make all our divs to have a padding left of 20 or let me say a padding of 20, not a padding left. So what is padding? So padding without the left, right, and top and bottom, and just writing padding alone says this represents this padding left, padding right, padding top, padding bottom. So that's what this is. It's padding left, right, top, and bottom. All right. Let's go to the Mozilla Derivatives Network, the MDN network. We will see all of this. We'll go to CSS and it shows us the whole style sheet for our CSS. So let's type CSS. So click here. We have a whole CSS methods. Let's go to that again. Search for. So let's search for. So you have so many methods. Yeah. But in the network, you need to look for something exact. So let's look for something like padding. And there we go, padding. So you have padding of EM, you have padding 1 EM, you have padding pixels. So this is all about paddings, how you can apply them. There's so much here. There's so much here. So you guys can take a look at these in your free time and keep on working on them. All right, so let's keep on going and making our little page look attractive. So let's say we want this div to have a particular width. So I want it to have a width of 50%. That's half of the screen. Save and refresh, 50%, and I want it to be displayed in the center of the page. So I'll say margin photo. So it's going to display this border at the center of the page. Now let's work on margins too. You see, there is no demarcation between these two divs. So let's give each div a margin bottom. So margin bottom 10 pixels. Save, refresh, and there will go margin bottom of 10 pixels. Now, how about so this margin says that every content here should be displayed at the center of my page. And then when I say a margin bottom of 10 pixels, I'm saying that give me a margin between the two divs. So each div should have a margin bottom of 10 pixels. I can also give a margin top of 10 pixels. Let me give 20 pixels. Or I can give it what they call a view port, called VH. VH says that it's going to take the screen's viewport height of the screen. So this is just going to automatically go down to like half of the screen. I can say a view age of 50. Let's save, refresh. It's going to go way down, way down. So you see, here you go. All right, so let's go back, refresh. All right, let's center our text to this. Let's make each text be at the center. So I want every text. So I'll say text align center. That's it. Save, refresh, and all over, and every text goes to there, goes down. So let's give our text a different font styling. So I'll click here. Enlarge this. Close the other ones I had opened previously. I'll click. Where was I? Let me see. I'll click here. Click here. I'll copy this. I'll come here. The top. Paste this. Return back. I'll copy this. Go back. Our main file. I'll say font family should be of type this. Now save, refresh, and there we go. All right. So our font now is like our Google design we took here.